What are you guys doing?
We're just looking at my eggs.
What are you doing with the eggs?
Just looking at them.
Oh. Are they different colors?
Yeah. And this yellow, this yellow. That's green. Oh, that's yellow. That's yellow.
Uh-huh.
And that's pink. Okay, mine are done.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How about we leave them in and make them a little bit brighter? You guys are doing good.
Yeah.
These are the ones we have already.
Yeah.
Wow, they look
Red,
great.
Red, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, green, green, orange, orange.
Okay,
That's a pattern.
that is a pattern.
Mine are done.
They're done.
How are they coming?
Look at, we switch
I'll go to
colors.
Kmart later, I'm sure they have.
They do.
Colors.
They don't?
They do.
Oh. It's like, oh.
Will you help him so I can
No, I
I'm recording?
do mine first.
Hold on. Slow down, wait, Eric. Oh, thanks.
Mine are all done.
Okay, we're gonna do something special with the last one.
What?
Okay?
What are you going to do with the last one?
We're gonna put it in all the colors.
Oh my god.
Who wants to start?
Me.
Well,
It's Aiden's turn to start first.
Okay.
My hands are green. Let me see your hands, guys. Eric, you look like a monster.
Go up here, put your foot.
A monster.
Yep, you're a monster too.
Me too. I'm a monster too.
Okay,
Now,
move in the next color.
is it that one?
Yeah, let it sit. Eric. Wash this down tonight.
Yep. And there's milk on the floor.
I'll wash the patio too.